electronics. So in this video, we are going to see the recruitment news from PRSE. PRSE is Punjab Remote Sensing Center. So there is 3 posts for which recruitment is happening: Junior Research Fellow, Project Fellow and Research Fellow. We are going to see all the details in this video. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Okay. So first, let us see the post details. The first post is Junior Research Fellow. There is 8 vacancies and these 8 vacancies are under various categories. Okay. Then the second post is Project Fellow. Again, there is 8 vacancies for the Project Fellow post. And the third one is Research Fellow and there is 3 vacancies. Okay. So these are the 3 posts for which recruitment is happening and there is various categories under these 3 posts. Okay. The qualification they are saying is, first one, the Junior Research Fellow, the qualification is first class graduate in science or technology or engineering first class in the branches of electronics and communication or computer science or information and technology or masters in information and technology or equivalent. So that is the qualification you should be having for Junior Research Fellow and you don't require any experience. Okay. So that is a freshers post. Then the second post is Project Fellow. The qualification you require is first class graduate in technology or engineering degree with a first class in the branches like computer science, electronics and communication or IT, or engineering diploma. For one post of Project Fellow, they are asking diploma qualification. Okay, that is diploma in either civil or computer. That is the qualification. Okay, that particular post is for CAD for the Project Fellow. Okay, so that is the qualification for Project Fellow. Then the third post is Research Fellow and the qualification they are saying or they are asking is first class master's degree in remote sensing or geoinformatics plus 1 year experience. Okay, so that is a experienced person's recruitment. So the other 2 recruitments are freshers recruitment. Okay, the third one is for experienced people. Now the salary they are offering is for Junior Research Fellow, the salary is 25,000. For Project Fellow, the salary is 12,000 if you have at least 6 months experience. But if you don't have any experience also, no problem, but the salary will be 10,000 per month. Okay. And also the first 2 posts, that is for Junior Research Fellow and Project Fellow, the first 6 months is for probation period. After that, based on your performance during this 6 months, you will be getting permanent. Okay. So this is permanent vacancy, but the 6 months will be probation. The last post for Research Fellow is a permanent vacancy. Okay. So that is the post and the salary details. And also the salary for the third category, which is a Research Fellow, is 25,000. So that is the salary details for the 3 category of recruitments. And the age limit they are saying is 37 years is the maximum age limit. And also there is age relaxation for all the reserved categories under the age relaxation rules of Government of India. Okay, so that is the details of age. Next is the selection process. The selection process will be happening through written test or interview. Most probably there will be interview only, and that too online interview. And also they have given the specific dates for which they will be conducting the online interview for various posts. Okay, so if you see the notification, you can see the last date for applying for the various posts and also the date of interview is also specifically given. Okay, so if you see the notification description, you can see all the details, the last date and also the interview dates also they have given. Then the application procedure is, you have to go to the site gis/prsc.punjab.gov.in/recruitment. So in that site you have to directly apply online and also you have to upload all your necessary documents, that is your educational qualifications, certificates, your experience certificate, your 10th class, all these certificates also you have to keep in the scanned form before applying. So you have to upload all these documents, only then the application procedure will be complete. And there is also fees for applying. For the Junior Research Fellow, the fees is 800 rupees. For the Project Fellow, fees is 500 rupees, and for Research Fellow, the fees is 1000 rupees. So these are the fees details. And the last date for applying is And the last date for applying is 23rd of November. So when you see the notification along with each post, qualification details and everything, you can see the specific last date for applying for that particular post and the date of interview. So everything is given specifically in the notification. So please go through the notification. You will get all the details. Okay. So if you are interested in working with PRSC, please do go through the notification. If you think that you are eligible, please to apply for it as soon as possible. Okay. So if you found this video useful, please to give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.